Hey everyone, Lex here. I'm in Ontario, Canada right now, and I am on my way to Velocolor in Toronto, where I had my steel bike frame that I built at the Steel Bike Frame Building School in Tucson custom painted. And this is going to be the first time I see it in person, and I'm so excited. Actually, it's been such a long time since I've built the frame that I've had the chance to acquire a brand new sidekick, and he's coming along with me. Hey Fritz. Whoa, here we are at Velocolor in Toronto. Check this out. All these really cool bike accessories. Okay, we have bike racks. Oh, custom made caps. They make caps even. This is awesome. Oh, color book. It was really cool. All that I had to do was pretty much tell them the gist of what I wanted. I didn't have to pick out the specific colors, and then they did all the work for me. I guess you can do it either way. You can either come knowing which colors you want, or you just give them the ideas of your design and the concept.
Hi. Hi, how's it going? Good, how are you? Good. Nice to see you.
Yeah.
Nice.
Can I just go in for a hug? This is
Suzanne, we're at Velocolor.
We're gonna go check out my frame.
I have to say, everyone that has come in to see it has been very impressed with your work. Yeah, we see a lot of first built frames by people, and they're pretty rough, but yours was really impressive.
Like, thank you.
Yeah.
I had a lot of help from Dave at the Frame Building School.
Okay.
This is so cool. Check it out. This is the first time I'm seeing it in person. So this was like all hand painted. There's a lot of details on here. Here's the pinstripe that I want to have recreated. And this pinstripe is on my grandparents' boat, and the whole frame is themed after my grandparents' sailboat, kind of in honor of my grandfather, who's like really good at working with metal. And building this frame gave me a chance to use a lot of the same tools that I saw him using when I was a kid, but I didn't really understand what they were. So I definitely thought about him a lot when I was making it, and it's really cool to see this final result and all like the little special touches that have to do with their sailboat, even like their yacht club name, LaSalle Mariners Yacht Club there. This is so cool. And there's the fork.
There's the fork, yeah.
That's not an easy paint job, is it?
No.
Like, I definitely asked for a lot of stuff. Check it out. Like, how do you manage to do that? Like,
So it's all with like fine line tape. Here, I'll grab some.
okay.
Come in with this tape, so it's like super.
That's a roll of tape.
This is a roll of tape, yeah.
Wow. So you have to place that by hand.
Yeah, exactly. So with this, in this case, I can't remember if we did the red or the white first, but we probably did the white because you spray light to bright, and then we would come in and essentially like lay the tape down along the like shoreline, and we would like fill this in and trim it, and then the red gets sprayed.
This is why I didn't paint the frame by myself.
Yeah, exactly.
Because you guys do repairs too, right?
Yeah. All types of frames, like yours is obviously custom steel frame, but we do like carbon, road bikes, mountain bikes, cross bike. We see all types and all years and restorations and brand new. It's pretty cool. This is Noah, my partner.
Hi.
Hi, Noah. I'm Lex.
How you doing?
Good. How are you doing?
Good.
Thank you guys for making the magic happen with my bike.
Yeah.
This is like,
I mean, it's amazing the number of people are like,
what is that
That's
bike?
super
Who
cool.
built that? It was fun to make. I wasn't really confident that I would be able to have like the concept come to life, but you guys did it. Like, that's the stem even. Yeah. That's cool. My friend made this stem for me, which is really cool too. So I'm gonna show him. He'll be stoked to see this. I'd say it looks pretty darn good. The finish on my anchor that I spent such a long time on cutting with a jewelry saw just looks brilliant. Initials of the LaSalle Mariners Yacht Club. It just looks great. And finally, this frame is coming home.